If you rely on the standard Amazon Campaign Manager to run your ads, you are flying completely blind and just losing money. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact Amazon Marketing Cloud strategy that helped one of our clients take his revenue from 140K months to 200K months. I'll show you how to pull the hidden data Amazon hides from you and then use AMC to build hyper profitable audiences. I know that because my agency manages hundreds of thousands in ad spend, and when Meta and Amazon updated their systems going into 2026, we had to completely rewrite our playbook. We're not talking theory here. We run these AMC data clean rooms daily for real brands. So let's get into it. Step 1 is the path to purchase report. Most sellers think a customer clicks once and buys, but AMC data shows it actually takes an average of sometimes 4 interactions or more across sponsored products, sponsored display, sponsored brands so stop turning off the ads that are secretly assisting your sales. And I'm going to show you exactly what this report is and how you can view it. So we are inside of a dashboard that we constantly use and we set up for all of our clients. You don't just want to say last touch attribution is great, but what is the path? What are the interactions that are causing shoppers to actually purchase? And where are you actually getting new customers instead of customers who are just coming back to your brand? That is what this path to purchase data shows you. So here, what I can do is I can analyze real customers who are searching for this brand of the last 30 days. And what it tells me that actually what is driving sales is when we have the complete funnel. So this is sponsored products, sponsors, brands, sponsored display, and DSP. When all of these ads are working together, we have much stronger sales than just one of them alone, but you're not going to see that if all you're looking at is ad console and what are the sales for this specific campaign. If you really want to grow your brand, if you are invested in growing your brand, you need to understand the entire shopper journey, and that is what AMC gives you. But step number 2 is the custom audience gateway. This is your secret weapon. So I'm going to show you how you can actually isolate users who added your products to their cart in the last 14 days but didn't buy and instantly push hyper targeted remarketing campaigns. So I'm going to jump into what it looks like to do this in Campaign Manager, but if you're able to do this in DSP, it's even more powerful, and I'm going to show you what that looks like in a second. But here we can actually look at shoppers who clicked on your brand's products, who added them to cart but didn't make the final purchase. This is where the leaky bucket happens. And if you look at what our ACOS and ROAS is for this particular audiences, these shoppers convert so well because they already know your product. They almost trusted you with their dollars, but not quite. And understanding that shopper interaction, this is moving beyond keywords now to actually targeting shoppers based on their behaviors, not just what they're searching. And speaking of which, this client had a repeat purchase product, but they couldn't grow their subscribe and save. So what we did is we took their AMC custom audience, and in just 1 month, we were able to over double subscribe and save revenue. And this is revenue not only that we're going to be getting this month, but month after month after month. And we're set up to do it again next month as well. And that is the power of AMC, understanding your audiences, but then taking that understanding and not just knowing about it, you need to take action on it, do something about it. And AMC coupled with DSP is really where you start to get ads on steroids. So knowing AMC data exists is one thing, writing custom SQLs, managing daily DSP audiences is another, and it's a massive time suck. So if you want our team to completely handle your Amazon ads, set up your AMC instance, and scale your brand for you, click the first link below where you can book a free strategy call. We'll audit your account and help you find your wasted ad spend. Once you do so, you can go watch this video next where I break down our automated keyword funnel framework. So you can click it now and see the funnel framework strategy that doubled client sales.